Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a full comparison of MidJourney versus Leonardo AI and help you decide which one is actually the best for your needs. First, let's understand what these tools are. MidJourney and Leonardo AI are both powerful AI image generators, but they're built with different goals. MidJourney focuses heavily on artistic quality and stunning visuals, while Leonardo AI is designed more like a full creative toolkit with advanced control and customization options. Starting with image quality, MidJourney is widely considered the leader when it comes to beautiful, cinematic, and highly stylized images. It produces very detailed lighting, textures, and artistic results that look almost like professional artwork. Leonardo AI also produces high-quality images, but its strength is not just visuals, it's consistency and control, especially when creating characters or brand assets. Now let's talk about ease of use. MidJourney is extremely simple. You just type a prompt and get results quickly, which makes it perfect for beginners. However, it mainly runs through Discord, which can feel unusual for some users. Leonardo AI, on the other hand, has a full web interface with tools and settings, which may take a little time to learn, but gives you much more flexibility once you understand it. When it comes to features, this is where Leonardo AI really stands out. It offers multiple AI models, real-time editing, in-painting, out-painting, and even the ability to train custom models. This means you can fine-tune your outputs exactly the way you want. MidJourney is more limited in control, but it focuses on delivering great results with minimal effort. Next is creative control. Leonardo gives you detailed control over style, references, and edits, making it ideal for designers, marketers, and teams who need consistent outputs. MidJourney is more about creative exploration. You describe the idea and let the AI surprise you with visually impressive results. Now let's look at pricing. Leonardo AI offers a free plan with daily credits, which is great for beginners or testing. Paid plans start at lower tiers and scale based on usage. MidJourney does not offer a free plan and starts with paid subscriptions, which can be a downside for new users. Another important factor is use cases. MidJourney is best for artists, designers, and creators who want eye-catching images with minimal setup. Leonardo AI is better for professional workflows like game design, branding, marketing, and projects that require consistency and control. From community discussions, many users say MidJourney produces more visually appealing images, while Leonardo offers more tools and flexibility for serious work. MidJourney images are much more creative and stylistic. So, which one is actually best? If you want the highest quality artistic images with minimal effort, MidJourney is the winner. If you want full control, advanced features, and the ability to build consistent assets, Leonardo AI is the better choice. Both tools are excellent, but they serve different purposes. MidJourney is like an artist that creates stunning visuals instantly, while Leonardo AI is like a full design studio where you control every detail. So, the best option depends on your goal, whether that's creativity and aesthetics or control and production workflow. Subscribe the channel for more videos.